fucking important, right? Fuck you.
Why don't you do your own fucking legwork, you rat fuck?
And all your life, not all your love, all your hate, all your memory, all your pain, it was all the same thing. It was all the same dream, a dream that you had inside a locked room. Dream about being a person. Why should I live in history, huh? I don't want to know anything anymore. This is a world where nothing is solved. And someone once told me time is a flat circle.